Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.7% against the yen in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 6.2% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's economy narrowly averted a recession in the final months of 2022, barely growing on frail consumption after shrinking in the third quarter, revised data showed, underscoring the challenge for policymakers trying to shore up a wobbly recovery. Chairman of the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, Rostin Burnham, has called Ethereum a commodity and not a security, in apparent contrast to SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, who has consistently argued that every cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin falls under securities laws. The dollar was perched near a 3-month high as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's message that interest rates would have to go higher and possibly faster to tame inflation dominated sentiment and underpinned the US currency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 hours GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 1330 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.